Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. This is going to be part 15 of the build series, and we're going to be working on steps 18 and 19, and we're pretty much done with the chassis after this video. So let's get started. We're going to need these wheels. Alright, I have the chassis turned around here. If you take a look, these three nuts are the same. This one is a little bit different. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and start in the front here. And I believe these are the same on both sides. And we're going to use this tool. And the same over here. Okay, and then finally this side. And this side, the thread end is going to go in first. And then the four wheels are on. All right, next let's go ahead and work on the antenna and the damper. So this end of the damper is going to go on to here. It snaps right on. And then on this side, we need to find this sleeve, which goes into the middle, like that. And then the screw. And then we're going to need the screw and nut. So let's go ahead and line this up. All right, there we go. So we have this antenna right here, and that goes into there. And there is a small set screw that we're going to put into there and tighten this. All right, I think we're finally done with the Phantom chassis. In the next videos, we're going to start working on the body. First, we're going to cut it out, and then we're going to paint it and put the decals on, and then finally mount it onto the chassis. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.